police services in general performs a very, very critical function and role in our country of maintaining order, maintaining and protecting the Kenyans and their properties, and making sure that everything runs smoothly. So I want to commend you, officers, for the work you are doing. We know it is challenging work, but I would urge you to maintain discipline and professionalism in what you do, and make sure that you also serve the public. I was happy yesterday to see that the police are getting information from members of the public about crime, which is the way it should be. And you can only get that when the public have confidence in you.
It's normally very tricky, Chief Justice, for the DIGs and the IG to transform themselves from being heads of the police service to performing the human capital function, because the detachment has to take place in such a manner that it shows impartiality. But we are happy so far. For the last few years, our colleagues from the service have given us very useful technical backstopping that ensures that we carry out our duties and make decisions that are in consonance with the expectations as brought out in the law and, of course, under the Constitution.